Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to the Postmates app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your PayPal account to the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Postmates. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on the wallet towards the middle. Then click on add payment method and then click on PayPal. So next it's going to prompt you to log into your PayPal account if you have PayPal already installed, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your PayPal account to the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.